Hello everyone, I'm Peena. Welcome on my channel HRM Profs. Our today's topic is logistic and supply chain management. We are going to cover overview, definition and logistic versus supply chain management. Let's start with logistics. Logistics is used more broadly to refer to the process of coordinating and moving resources like people, materials, inventory and equipment from one location to storage at the desired destination. The term logistics originated in the military, referring to the movement of equipment and supplies to troops, means soldiers, in the field. It has taken almost 100 years for the basic principle of logistic management to be widely accepted. Logistic is about getting the right product to the right customer in the right quantity, in the right condition, at the right place, at the right time, and at the right cost. The 7 R's of the logistics. Now understand logistic management. The definition of logistic management is the part of the supply chain process that plans, implements and controls the efficient, effective flow and storage of goods, services and related information from the point of origin to the point of consumption to meet customers' requirement. Now understand this flow chart. Chart shows flow of material. Company procure or you can say purchase raw material from supplier. Then manufacturing finished product which is called operation and distribute product to final customers and send information of customers about the product to the company. So it is a process of strategically managing the procurement, movement and storage of materials, parts and finished inventory through the organization and its marketing channels. Logistic management involves 4 elements including first is selecting appropriate vendors with the ability to provide transportation facility. Second is choosing the most effective route for transportation. Third is discovering the most competent delivery method. And fourth is using software and IT resources to proficiently handle related process. Now in logistic management, unwise decisions create multiple issues. For example, delivery that fail or are delayed lead to buyer dissatisfaction. Damage of goods due to careless transportation is another potential issue. Poor logistic planning gradually increase expenses. Most of these problems occur due to improper decisions related to outsourcing, such as selecting the wrong vendor or carrying out delivery tasks without sufficient resources. To resolve these issues, organizations should implement best logistic management practice. Companies should focus on collaboration rather than competition. Good collaboration among transportation providers, buyers and vendors helps reduce expenses. Now we understand what is supply chain management. A supply chain is a network of supplier, manufacturer, assembly, distribution and logistic facilities that perform the functions of procurement of material, transformation of these materials into intermediate and finished products, and the distribution of these products to customers. Supply chain arises in both manufacturing and service organization. By managing the supply chain, companies are able to cut excess cost and deliver products to the consumer faster. How it can be done? This is done by keeping tight control of internal inventories, internal production, distribution, sales, and the inventories of company vendors. In supply chain management, the supply chain manager coordinates the logistics of all aspects of the supply chain, which consists 5 parts. First is plan or strategy. Second is sources of raw materials or services. Third is manufacturing, focus on productivity and efficiency. Fourth is delivery and logistics. Fifth is the return system for defective or unwanted products. The supply chain manager tries to minimize shortage and keep costs down. The job is not only about logistic and purchasing inventory. Supply chain manager make recommendation to improve productivity, quality and efficiency of operations. Now understand definition of supply chain management. The supply chain encompasses all activities associated with the flow of transformation of goods from the raw material stage through to the end users, as well as the associated with materials and information flow both up and down the supply chain. So supply chain management is centralized management of the flow of goods and services and includes all processes that transform raw material to final products. By managing the supply chain, companies are able to cut excess cost and deliver products to the consumer faster. Now we explain logistic versus supply chain management. What are the differences between logistic and supply chain management? First, logistic management is the process of integration and maintenance, flow and storage of goods in an organization, while supply chain management is the coordination and management, means movement of supply chains of organization. Second is the objective of logistic management is customer satisfaction, while supply chain management emphasizes more on competitive advantage. Third is earlier to deliver any goods or services to its final customer, only logistic management was applied, whereas supply chain management is an evolved and modern concept of the same. Fourth is logistic management involves only one organization, while supply chain management is involved in multiple organizations like coordination and collaboration of parties like suppliers, intermediaries, distributors and customers. Now fifth is logistic management's main objective is to deliver the right product at the right time with all other attributes in the place. While supply chain management involves the planning, implementation and effective storage of goods and services between the point of origin and point of consumption to meet customers' requirements. 6 is logistic management involves activities like warehousing, proper packing, order fulfillment, stock control and stock management, while supply chain management is a series of interconnected activities related to the movement of raw materials to finished goods until it reaches the end user. 7 is logistic management is associated with only maintenance and storage of goods, while supply chain management is broader term which refers to the connection with the suppliers to the ultimate consumers. 8th is logistic management is small part of supply chain management, while supply chain management is a new and modern concept. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and comment. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.